Hey guys, let's see how to turn off YouTube notification on an iPhone. You just need to open the YouTube app. And down here you go to this U button, tap on it, and here on the top, tap on the gear. And here you're gonna find notifications. And from here you can disable any notification that you want, subscriptions, channel settings, recommended videos, whatever you want to disable. And it's done. There's other way to do it as well. You just need to come here to the settings. And from here you go all the way down and look for apps. And then look for YouTube. You can even scroll here until you find YouTube, or you can just search directly for YouTube. It's up to you. So here I find YouTube, and then I have notifications. And from here I can allow notification and change the way I want to receive the alerts, with the lock screen, with the notification center, with the banners, and I'm done. Okay, so super simple. Basically, that's the way you can turn off notification on YouTube on your iPhone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.